Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for Chapter 6 Civics Part 1 Advertising. In this video we will discuss the topic meaning of advertising, objectives of advertising. In that we have subtopic brand. Then we have types of advertising. In that we have the subtopic commercial advertising. And with that we will discuss the process of advertising. So these are some of the very important topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So here we will start with the topic commercial advertising and consumerism. So commercial advertising actually promotes consumerism. So what is commercial advertising? It refers to a tendency among the people to buy and use a large quantity of goods and services. Actually, commercial advertising is for commerce, for buying and selling. Now we already discussed in our previous video that advertisement is a link between manufacturer and the consumer. It tells about the product, the qualities, the price, everything. The people came to know about different products because of the advertising. But sometimes what happens? The manufacturer, they make false claims. Also sometimes advertising encourage people to buy the products which is not needed. Now that thing is actually not needed, but when people see that product, so to maintain a particular standard, they buy that product. And like this, they turn to consumerism. Okay. Now, also when you have a lot of brands for the same product, it may be very confusing which one to buy. So sometimes commercial advertising also leads to confusion. Okay. Now we will discuss about social advertising. Now when advertising is used to inform, educate, motivate the public about the social ideas, human equality, health, hygiene, energy conservation, forestation. So that is called social advertising. Like you would have seen the advertisement of polio, right? So that will come in the social advertising. There is no selling is going on, no selling and buying is going on. So that is not commercial advertising. That is for the information and motivation and educating people, right? So that will come in the social advertising. Now what is the aim of this social advertisement? Actually, this social advertisement is to raise the social conscience, like Raktadaan, Mahadan. This kind of campaign are for blood donation. Do Boond Zindagi Ki, that is for universal immunization program which is against polio in India. So these kind of advertisement comes into social advertising. Also there are some of the advertisement which is used to beware from diseases like malaria, dengue, TB. giving up smoking and drinking, now protecting environment, wearing a helmet, protect a girl child, voting at the time of election. These time if you go wearing mask, right, sanitizing your hands. So all these advertisement which you are watching on the television, these are not commercial advertisement, these are social advertisement, because these are used for educating and motivating and informing people. Okay, now it is done, social advertising is done as a part of social responsibility by the government, also by the business organizations, NGOs, etc. So this is done by these organizations. Now what is the impact of advertising? So what happens? We watch the advertisement, right? We discuss about the products. Also we judge people according to the brand products they use, right? So it is very powerful and influential thing in our life. Now it has both positive and negative effects. If you talk about positive effects, it has positive effect on economy because it increases the demand for goods and services, and like this people buy it and economy increases. Also it helps to develop healthy competition among the producers, which lead to the low prices of the product, and like this the consumer and the economy both are benefited. Also it helps consumer in comparing the products, and finally in decision making. Now we will discuss about the negative effects. So advertising is very expensive, as we have gone through the process of advertising. So it is a very expensive way. Now producing the advertisement and showing it on television or in media, it takes a lot of money. Also they have to show the advertisement again and again so that people can watch and they can keep that in mind, right? To remain that in people's mind, they have to show it again and again, and only large companies can do that who has lot of money. The small businessman, they cannot do that. They cannot afford to show the advertisement again and again on TV or national newspapers because it takes a lot of money. Like you have pickles, sweets, jams, these things. If many small manufacturers are there who produce these things, who make these things with their family members at home, and they sell it. Now they don't have that much of money that they will put advertisement on the newspaper or television. So these are not considered as a brand product, but actually they are good products. So like this, many of the good products are not coming in the people's view. Also advertising exaggerates the merits of a product. It makes us believe that the things that have a brand name are far better than the products which are sold loose. But if you see, the reality is different. Because of this, what happened? The packaged products, they are affecting the small business organizations. Also with the advertisement, what happens, we judge other people with the product they use. So like this, what happens, the poor people, they don't get respect. Why? Because they cannot use that much of high price products. The expensive products cannot be used by the poor. As a result, their their life appear as worthless. They don't get respect. So this kind of mentality comes in the society because of the advertisement. Also, advertising uses the personal emotions. So the people who cannot uh, afford to buy the branded products, they feel bad. Like mothers who cannot afford branded soap for their children, they may feel bad that they are not giving their children the best care. So like this, they also hamper the personal emotion. Also in the advertisement, what happens, they show us the lifestyle of rich and famous people. They do not show the reality of common people. You will see the celebrities in the advertisement. So what happens? We forget about the issues of poverty, unemployment, caste discrimination and human dignity, which are in the central to the functioning of equality in the democracy. So in this way, there are many negative effects also of the advertisement, and you can see how advertising can have a strong influence on our lives, how it can change the mentality of the society and people, how they can influence our decisions. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Thank you.